Everyone, for all Muslim brothers, Sabal Khair, Salam Alaikum. Today is my second day of my 50 days workout challenge before my 50th birthday. So yesterday I did the barbell back squat. Today I'm going to do the barbell front squat. Alright, let's go. I already did 20 barbell front squat. So as I've said, if you think you cannot do barbell, you can use something lighter, or there's a dumbbell, there's kettlebell, and then there's a ball like this. You can put this way front of you, because this is a barbell or a front squat. Okay, so the weight should be in front. You can hold this way like this, or you can hug also like this. Whatever you think you prefer. Now I'm already at 25 reps. Come on. 35. So I already did 35. So now you also have last option, which is body weight, which is only your own weight to use the front like this. So all the weight on your front thigh, also engage your glutes at the same time. Inhale, exhale, exhale, exhale. So I already did 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, okay, 50. Okay? So I'm trying to aim 50 repetition every challenge that I'm doing. So thank you very much. Okay, that's the workout for today. Today's thought, it's what you call this? Never stop training for 3 consecutive days. Try to work out in 1 week continuously, two days, and then you can take rest, or maximum 2 days rest, then you can work out again, but never stop for 3 consecutive days. Okay, that's thought for the day. And last tips, keep hydrated, especially summer. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Enjoy your training. God bless. Peace.